Hello everyone. So if you want to enable Hey Google feature on your Vivo X80 Pro using voice commands, first of all, you have to find your Google application on your phone. Here it is. Now at the top right corner, find your account icon and press settings. In your settings, find your Google Assistant, find your Hey Google and voice match. Here it is. And enable the switch near Hey Google. Tap on it. And now you will be to set up your Hey Google. Let's do this. Press more, press I agree, and now let's activate Google's match. Press agree. Alright, press next. And now let's press retrain our voice model. We need this to teach our phone to recognize our voice. Now we're to say phrases which are shown on the screen. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Alright, let's go next. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Alright, our Hey Google is ready. Let's press. Alright, and let's try it out. Now it should work anywhere. So, hey Google, what's the weather today?
In Prague 3, it'll be mostly sunny with a high of 46.
So it works great, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.